heard about Vitamina de Frutas, but I am not a Brazilian, but I think that Vitamina de Frutas was from just vitamins, the fruits, right? So come and let's go to Brazil. Guys, look at this yumminess, okay? With just 2 ingredients, we got this. So come and let's go to Brazil. So here we have our popo or papaya, and it's very ripe. You see this? Okay, I was told that if you see these white marks, it means that it's very sweet and very ripe. And then here we also have some bananas, and that explains why I won't put sugar, because guys, this has a lot of sugar, this has a lot of sugar. Okay, so no sugar in this recipe. Plus they are dirty. Now allow me to just wash them, and then we'll have some clean fruits. So guys, we have our washed, guys, can you see? They are very clean. And we also have our clean popo. Guys, you see this color? This color is just making me salivate, because I'm very sure that it's going to be very sweet. Very sweet. So this is the importance of washing your fruits, is that you can even handle them with your hands, with your clean hands, because everything is just clean. Okay, so relax. Okay, you see that it's easy. And then you just take a knife like that. Okay guys, I think, hey, I'm so lucky. This recipe is going to be very sweet. Okay, I love this color. When it comes to the inside of the popo, it shows that it's very clean. By the way, guys, kindly comment down below and tell me, do you take these seeds? Do you? Personally, I don't. So guys, here we have our fruits. Okay, and I'm just chopping up the bananas. But it's always good to chop them. If you chop them, you'll have a smooth blend. Okay, so imagine you just need just these 2 fruits, but if your popo is not as sweet as mine, please add some honey or some sugar, but mine is perfecto. So guys, here we have our strawberry flavored yogurt. Okay, then we're going to just start with the liquids, because we don't want to destroy our blender. Okay, that is good. Then we just add in our fruits. Imagine, so easy. Why do you have to buy soda? If you're still buying sodas, comment down below and tell me why. Okay, because you should not be buying sodas. You see, they're making a smoothie is easy. Okay, that. So this is the consistency that we want. Can you look at that? No lumps. So a smoothie is perfect. Like that, our smoothie is ready. It's very ready. Oh my god, guys, look, I have a new glass. Look at how smart it is. Woo, let's taste. By the way, even a sweet tooth can definitely enjoy this.